Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Wednesday, October 14th, 2009. The dollar, the Dow, everything, S&Ps, to the moon, Alice. Fly me to the freaking moon. I really thought with gold reversed today, gold really, was up nice and reversed. I thought it was going to be over. I figured stock market gapping up like this, everything, the moon, the stars, everything was perfectly aligned. Cable could have been the relative strength winner. Numbers out of sterling were just amazing, huh? Called that perfect, but the pound did nothing. In my opinion, if the dollar's going to really go, continue to go down, this cable has got to play catch up. Enough already. What was that 100 pip sell off late in the morning session? Can you please tell me? Freaking nuts. Oh. But, if you listen to my show, listen, we sold things higher. I made a little bit today, not much at all to write home about. But still, we sold things higher. I wasn't getting away with that freight train. No freaking way. So dollar index, in my opinion, listen, this euro is going to hit 150, it looks like. In my opinion, the numbers coming out of the U.S. are going to be terrible. I hope they gap up. I hope jobless claims, in my opinion, are probably going to be better. We might even see under 500 for the first time in a long time. If that happens, I think the futures could be up big, and then Philly Fed and Empire Manufacturing, bang, 10 o'clock, Philly Fed. Oh, yeah. Maybe it's a good old-fashioned Philly Fed sell-off. You never know. You never know, baby. Well, look at this dollar index. Certainly, it looks like we're going to hit this level. Bottom of the channel. So I would imagine the euro, that's about 150. And I got different channel lines here on the euro. I got one here, and that's pretty much pointing right to 150. 5-0, baby. 5-0. I want to throw up. Just nuts. Looks like 5-0 to me. 5-0, baby. Now, my other channel line here, it stalls right here. That was my 50 level. So we do punch through today's high. We take out today's high. Say hello to 150. Big time. Now, I do believe we're going to reverse. I think we'll hit 150. I think if the S&Ps hit 1100, we're right there. S&P is pretty much right there. So I think if the futures can hit 1100, euro hits 150, bang. So we get up here. I gotta believe that's it. I'm gonna try and get long. I'm gonna buy a pullback. Dollar yen looks like it's gonna probably retest. We might even come down to 88. Who knows? If this dollar continues to rally, central banks are buying yen. This dollar yen looks terrible. I mean, I said this on my radio show, and I think it got cut off today a little bit. But if you'd have told me that the Dow would be at 10,000, and if you know this market, where would you say sterling yen would be? Where do you think euro yen would be? If I told you 6 months ago that the Dow right now would be at 10,000, I think that euro yen would be at 150. I think sterling yen 160. Dollar yen 110, right? No soup for you. They're buying yen. So cable, let's take a look. Sterling, I think it looks good. I think sterling, this was a fake out. This is a fake out move. Bottom line, cable was up. Bottom line, cable took out that downtrend channel. We had that outside day yesterday. I still like it. I think cable for easy 161. And maybe even, 162. And then maybe on a continuation, 164. I just think the numbers were great out of London last night. I mean, really good. Euro sterling certainly made a nice little comeback here. I still like it as a short, though. I still like euro sterling as a short. I think, again, I like this shooting star. I think we come in. One-day reprieve. We do have CPI coming out of Eurozone. Trigé speaking at 7:25 a.m. Eastern. So in about 15 hours or so. So this euro sterling, to me, I think it goes back down. And cable, this sucker's due. It's due for 161, baby. Maybe even 162. But we'll see. Listen, obviously, the dollar Swiss looks terrible. Look at this dollar Swiss going to par. Just nuts. Nuts. Sometimes you feel like a nut. And Joy's got nuts. Ooh. Oh, I didn't do the other ones either. I'm a little delirious. Been up all night. I stood up for that cable number. I really thought that was it. I thought sterling was going to have a monster day. Monster. Dollar Canada. Looks like par also. Excuse me. Dollar Swiss. Wait, hang on. Dollar Canada both look like they're going for par. They're in free fall mode. Any rally, sell. Ask questions later. New Zealand doesn't look good, though. I'll tell you, this Kiwi is not closing well. Damn, I gotta stop smoking cigarettes. That's a doji, baby. All right, that doesn't look very good. So I'm not so sure how good that looks right there. And the yens didn't do much. Your yen was, a nice comeback. We bought the pullback. It wasn't looking very good. We were getting killed. Bought the pullback at 133. Ended up making 50 pips out of the trade. Sterling yen, big disappointment also. Big disappointment. Look at that doji. It was looking so good. Hit 144. We took some off great. But an 80 pip pullback in the sterling yen went down another 120 pips. I mean, it's just, you can't write this stuff up, people. You cannot write this stuff up. I think it's going higher, though. I think you buy the pullback again if you get one. Dollar yen, though, looks terrible. Looks like it's going lower. So, again, you really need some cable strength. Euro sterling weakness for this sucker to go if dollar yen's going to break 100 pips. Aussie yen, I mean, took out previous day high, new closing high in Aussie yen. I mean, this thing is gone like the wind. Aussie yen really we could be talking about 83. Certainly 82.50, I think. Yeah, 82.50. Actually, it's higher if you really do the angle. I don't think I could do it. It'll mess it up. Yeah, it'll mess it up. It's about 82.60, 82.70 over there. Luna yen, another one. Flagging. Hold. It is triple roll tonight, and we're not really, Aussie might come in. Aussie might come in. I still love this pound Aussie. I think this pound Aussie definitely bottomed here. I think as long as pound Aussie doesn't take out today's low, should be okay. This whole 174 level is big. If we can hold it, we go for 176. We're going up to 178 and 177.50 easy. This whole downtrend channel line here. I mean, easy. This thing is so overbought, it's sick. I mean, look how many pips this has gone down. It was 2,700. It's now 1,700. That's a lot of pips in a year. Bang. And what's some other one I wanted to look at here? Again, if you have any questions about it, remember, I offer a premium service. That's $200 a month. I do offer specials now and then. No special for another couple of months. 3-month special, year special, stuff like that. No more specials. Not to the end of the year. But you do a 1-week trial. Your credit card's not billed if you cancel before the 1 week is up. And it's $200 a month. The other service I offer is if you trade through Global with FXCM, I would then basically, no minimum, mini or 100K only, I will give you my premium Twitter. My premium twits. We got out of that sterling yen great with premium twits. So, premium twits, I sent out maybe 10 to 15 different things. Last night after cable came out, I hit it with a twit. So, again, no minimum, no nada. Trade your $300 mini, and I put you on premium Twitter. No problem. And, again, if you have an existing FXCM account, it's 3 months or less, then I could email you a referral document. So you could just sign that. My company name is Global FX Remote Group, if you ever do speak to anyone at FXCM. I'm not Global FX. I'm Global FX Remote Group. Andrew Spanton. So, gold, see that reversal? Topped out. Little doji. I think gold looks toppy. S&P's gone. To the moon, Alice. 12 more handles and we hit 1,100. I still am sick. I can't believe it. And oil looks amazing. Look at that oil. It's going to go for 76. I'll tell you, that trade really working out. Short gold, long oil trade is worked amazing yesterday. And again, if you have any questions about any aspect of my business, and again, Global FX Radio is my audio version of this, so to speak, feel free to email me at info, I-N-F-O, at globalfxradio.com. I think sterling, this dollar is going to get whacked more. Cable's got to play catch-up. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio. Love the pound across the board, baby. The only voice you will ever need in Forex that loves, up all night, baby, loves to make you money. Have a good night.